Hi, it's Mary with the Great Outdoors University. On this beautiful sunny day, I thought I'd share with you an activity that you can do. All you need is a stick, preferably pretty straight, and 12 stones. They can be any size. If you don't have stones, you can use something else, but you want to use something that to mark the area. You could even use chalk if you do this on cement, or a rock that draws like chalk. Now what we're going to do today is create a sundial. This was what was used in the past to tell time. So as you put your stick in the ground, and every hour you step outside, the top of the hour, so say for example if this was 1 o'clock, I go outside and I look for the shadow made by the stick and place a rock at the end of the shadow. You do this every hour that you have sunlight. You may have to do this over the course of a couple of days to get all the hours 1 through 12 on your sundial. Have fun, and when you're done, send me a selfie with your sundial. I look forward to seeing them. Have a great day.